Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the device identity and exact ML 2025 runtime. This matters because mismatched runtimes break trust handshakes. Once done, make sure you have admin credentials and a recent backup so you can revert if needed. Next, enable verbose logs and note error timestamps. These give you the why behind failures. Now initiate a soft reconnect attempt. Restart the ML service and re-register the device. This often clears transient auth, token mismatches, without deeper intervention. If the soft steps didn't fix it, dig deeper. Check the certificate chain, token expiry, and system clock. Clock drift over a few seconds can invalidate trust. Run integrity checks on model signatures and confirm secure boot flags are intact, because corrupted images cause rejection. If validations fail repeatedly, rotate keys or reissue credentials and update the device config. Make sure to apply changes in a controlled window and monitor logs to confirm the device successfully completes the handshake. To finish, validate the full trust handshake end-to-end and run a real-time inference to confirm the device behaves as expected. This proves both auth and runtime consistency. Once verified, document what you changed, update fleet policy, and schedule periodic audits to prevent recurrence. If problems persist, roll back to your backup and reproduce the failure in a staging environment to capture detailed traces. If you still can't resolve it, escalate to the vendor with logs and timeline for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.